Okay, Scott, I wanted to ask you a couple of questions about this intensive pool planning. First of all, the course material. Do you believe that it's put together well, and did you learn quite a few things here to begin?
Yeah, I mean, we got a couple different booklets with a ton of information that you can read through. You're at the course or when you're on your spare time. I found it
That's a very good point, because without the written information, it would be so easy to forget a lot that we covered. Good. Number two, about the instructors, do you feel like they were professional? They were able to deliver content, were knowledgeable about content, and were able to help you at your table?
Yeah, I felt there was a number of different instructors that they go around and they watch you, and they're making sure that your technique is on point and everything like that. So if I was doing something where my stick wasn't level, they would come by and let me know. So it was nice to have that person watching you.
Good personal feedback. Yeah, great. Lastly, do you believe you received good value for your money?
Yes, I do. This course was really good at breaking down the fundamentals and making sure that you have a good foundation. So
That's what it's all about. Rock solid fundamentals. Without that, nothing else matters. Thanks a lot, Scott. Great to have you.